There are over 1,300 different plant and animal species that call Eungella National Park home, so I took a rainforest walk to see a few. These are spangled perch. They're a native freshwater fish. The white-faced heron will eat them. The Eungella spiny crayfish is endemic to the park and would be a meal for this little pied cormorant. The Azure Kingfisher is watching a platypus forage, looking for any food items that it may have disturbed. Then the platypus surfaced to eat. A freshwater snake swam across the river. A water spider. Sawshell turtles have really sharp claws. When they're sunning themselves on a log, it's a good opportunity to see them. Those sharp claws are used to rip larger prey, while the webbed feet help with swimming. I startled a red-legged paddymmelon. Eastern yellow robins pounce from a low perch to catch insects and spiders on the ground. Scarlet honeyeaters prefer to eat nectar, but sometimes they'll supplement their diet with fruit and insects, which they can find in the upper branches of the canopy in amongst flowers and foliage. Eastern spinebills feed on insects and nectar. I noticed on the rainforest floor a male blue-throated rainbow skink in breeding colours. Fungi, which is a rainforest decomposer. It's an eastern whipbird. It feeds by tossing around leaf litter to catch insects and other small invertebrates with its bill. A white-browed scrub wren. The russet-tailed thrush feeds on invertebrates in the leaf litter, as well as earthworms in the soil. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.